Well, in a last-ditch effort to save face, Srinivasan is latching on to a BCCI-led probe, a self-appointed panel to investigate the case against his own son-in-law and his own team. One member is a BCCI-appointed treasurer and the other one is a BCCI-appointed commentator. Is there anything independent about this investigation?
N. Srinivasan may have brazened it out, but the message from the cheated Indian cricket fans was loud and clear at the Eden Gardens.
Mr. N. Srinivasan, the President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India. Mr. N. Srinivasan.
A message that Srinivasan continues to ignore, proving yet again that you cannot take the fan for a ride.
I've already had a press conference yesterday and I said it's the press who's hounding me, the media hounding me. I have no reason to resign.
Will you take action against Mr. Gurunath sir?
Srinivasan shielding himself by promising a strong probe against his son-in-law and the Chennai team.
All this question of yours as to what was his role, whether he transcended, that commission is going to, why should I've already said, I've distanced myself, I will not be part of that appointment, I will not be part of the deliberations, I will not be part of the decision. So I don't think, it is necessary for me to go further on this.
This coming even as one of the biggest voices in Indian cricket said the BCCI is not equipped to handle the current crisis and should hand over the probe to a government agency.
100% endorse that fact of what Mr. Shashank Manohar has said. You have to, at the end, go to the law. If Mr. Srinivasan said the law will take its own course, so somebody will have to lodge an FIR. And the question is that in the BCCI, the attitude that we have seen, the big question is, who will bail the cat?
Srinivasan constituting a 3-member committee that has 2 BCCI men and a yet-to-be-named High Court judge. Shirke, known to be a Srinivasan loyalist, whose boss is Srinivasan.
As I said, I have no comments to offer. The President has set in motion certain processes for inquiry and the inquiry will be conducted in a fair and transparent manner.
And Ravi Shastri, a commentator with the BCCI and an open supporter of the board. And despite growing anger, even within the board, Srinivasan has managed to hang on to his post. Senior board member Arun Jaitley stayed away from the IPL final, but he stopped short of taking on the BCCI president.
The anti-corruption unit of the BCCI is looking into all these matters. The Supreme Court has given it a 15-day time limit. It will give its report. It will come up before the disciplinary committee. And be rest assured, we are going to take a very tough view in the matter.
With Srinivasan still calling the shots, should Arun Jaitley have even left Srinivasan with an option of staying on? And with 2 Srinivasan supporters in the panel, is the board playing a joke on the nation? India's cricket fans have made it amply clear that India's love for cricket is not for sale. Sports Bureau Times Now.